Welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. If you're new here, my name is Wendy. In today's video, it's going to be a day in the life and a little bit of cooking and us going out to eat. And part of the cooking is I'm just going to go over how I cook my steaks. And I'm going to bring you all along with me. In this video, you're going to see that my husband and I, we go out to eat at a couple different places. And then you're also going to see me barbecuing up some steaks. And I hope you enjoy. First place we hit is the All-American Denny's. We have one close by, and so we thought, all right, let's go and have some breakfast here. My husband and I had decided we both got the special. He got pancakes with his, I got toast. And it was actually very good. And then these coffee cups are just so awesome. After we had eaten, my husband and I stopped into Walmart and I seen these in the aisle and I am not kidding you. I do not think I would try either one. They had apple pie Bush's beans and they had a dill pickle Bush's beans. Oh, nope. Not even if they were on clearance. It's a different day now. My husband and I and our daughter, we went out to eat at Applebee's and I ordered, it was some kind of an appetizer type plate. I got the pretzels, there's deep fried pickles, and then these little mini tacos with a cold slaw on top. I thought they were all wonderful. Did some more barbecuing today, got some more hamburgers made up, and I cooked up some chicken that's been in the freezer that we really needed to eat. I don't like cooking chicken breasts on the grill because they just dry out. Anyway, I did it anyway, barbecued them, hoping they're okay. But here's some more meals for the next few days for me and my family. I'm going to go over briefly of how I cook my steaks. Always bring them to room temperature. Get your grill nice and hot, then turn it down to medium low as you can hear the sizzle. All right. Then I cook them for 4 minutes. I turn them, not upside down. I just turn them sideways to get that charred look and you get that diamond shape. And then 4 minutes again. Then you actually flip them, cook them for 4 minutes, turn them to get the diamond shape. And once again, another 4 minutes. So the total amount that I cook my steaks for on medium low is 16 minutes. This is the way that I cook my steaks. They are well done. Now, they never turn out dry. They will if you cook them on high and you cook them for this amount of time, but medium low seems to be the sweet spot. And if you cook your steaks differently, you know, all the more to you, but this is what's worked for me and my family. Friends, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I just brought you a little bit of this and a little bit of that of some of the things that we've been doing, some of the things I've been cooking. We've gone out to eat quite a bit. I brought you some of those. We had some doctor's appointments and we went out to eat. And I can't remember what else we did. We did something else and we went out to eat as well. And I just took some video and or photos of the food that we had, or the food that I had enjoyed. And I just thought I'd bring you along for that. And in the description box below, I'm going to put the playlist to my other day in the life videos if you're interested in that. And I'm also going to put the playlist of my cooking as well. Now, I'm going to explain that not everyone cooks their steaks the same. So don't judge me. I like mine well done. My family would beg to differ, but I'm the one cooking them. If they were cooking them, they could certainly cook them the way that they wanted to. But my steaks, they always turn out very well. All right. So, all right. Again, I want to thank you so much for joining me. And if you folks like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, give the videos a thumbs up, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.